what would you suggest for the audience, especially who are just getting their journey started, or someone who is in the middle of their journey, maybe in the 40s, who typically has this anxiety, and all of us have the anxiety about money management, whether this is enough or whether this is too much. Both are anxieties, I think. So how can they actually not let that anxiety put into their head and follow the rat race? Rather than that, come out of that rat race, look at their goals as very personalized goals, and try to follow those goals rather than chase returns. So what would you be suggesting to them?
So, this is a very good question. There is a famous quote, enough is a decision, it's not the amount,
Oh.
which fits right into this answer, because we have our aspirations, we have our own wishes, we want to achieve 10 different things, but as a person, we must know where we really want to go. So that thought we need to inculcate in ourselves, that perspective we need to build for ourselves. And when we know what we want to achieve, we can definitely find the way to achieve them. And that goal may not be a materialistic one, but we should feel content after achieving that goal. So that feeling of content, or feeling of that feeling is missing these days. That's why people are following that rat race, and numbers are speaking more than the happiness. So financial plan makes us aware about all these things, and we are more confident when we have our own plan in hand. If as a person, if I'm not able to build my own plan or write my own plan, because when we talk about our own money, we become subjective, emotions comes in, biases comes in. So it's always better to have a help and assistance from a planner who can guide and assist in unbiased way. So that help is also available now. But we all need to have financial plan ready, so we will be more constructive in our money management.